Hello, how are you student? I hope you all are fine. In last video we learned about the integers, addition of integers, and in this video we are going to learn about properties of addition of integer. There are 5 properties of integer. First, closure property. Closure property, the sum of two integers is always an integer. When we take two integers and add them, so we get an integer. For example, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, where 5 is an integer, 4 is also an integer. When we add them, so we get 9. 9 is also an integer. So, integers are closed under addition. Any integers, when we will take and add them, so we get an other integers. Next, commutative property. Commutative means we can change the order while adding two integers, so we can change their order. While adding two integers, they can be arranged in any order. For example, a plus b is equal to b plus a, where a and b are any integer. Suppose minus 6 plus of 10. When we will add them, so we get 4. Now we are changing its order. Plus 10 and minus 6. So plus 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus of minus 6. It means when we will add two integers, we can arrange them in any order and we get the same result. Now next, associative law. Associative is a group. While adding three integers, they can be arranged grouped in any order. While adding three integers, they can be grouped in any order. For a, b, c, for any integers, we can write a plus of, in first bracket, b plus c is equal to a plus b in first group plus c. For example, minus 8, 5 and 4. There are three integers. Firstly, we have to group 5 and 4. So we get 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 1. Minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 1. Now we group minus 8 and 5 together. So minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 3. Now we are adding 4 and minus 3. So minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. That is why we can say that while adding three integers, they can be grouped in any order. Next, existence of additive identity. Existence of additive identity. When we take any integers and a 0, while adding 0 to any integer, we get an integer itself. That for any integer a, we have a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. When we add 0 to any integer, we get an integer itself. That is why 0 is called additive identity for integer. Suppose 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 0 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Here we are adding 0 to 9. So we get 9 an integer itself. That is why 0 is called the additive identity for any integer. Next, existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse, suppose that we have taken two integers 5 and minus 5 and added 5 plus of minus 5 is equal to 0. Next, existence of additive inverse. When we will add two integers and we get a 0, the result will be 0, then that integer is called additive inverse for to each other. For example, additive inverse of a is minus a. Why? When a plus of minus a is equal to 0. That is why a is called additive inverse of minus a and minus a is called additive inverse of plus a. For example, 5 plus of minus 5 is equal to 0. Like that, minus 5 and plus 5 is equal to 0. So additive inverse of 5 is minus 5 and additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. Next. Thank you. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, you send a message. Thank you.